reporting a 9.3 earthquake at the ILCS campus. We figured out that we are going to have a flood tonight, so keep dry. Back to you, Tori.
We just found cracks on the ground and classrooms and cars getting flipped over. And Big Bear Mountain is falling down. Here is some footage in Mr. Head's class at ILCS on California Street.
Here is our precious, precious Earth.
Quick.
Are you worried about your child dying at school? Here is some footage. Olivia! We gotta take her to the hospital. We gotta take her to the hospital. She's alive! Here's some stuff about Big Bear Mountain. Everybody is evacuating from that mountain. The lake just broke open and water is on its way, so stay in your houses. There will be no school for a few days. Back to you, Tori.
We will have to cancel all the bake sales and lemonade stands, and hope you all stay safe. Stay
Morgan as teacher. Olivia as student dying. Emily as student running up under her desk. Kylie as news reporter 1 and extra.
Tori as news reporter 2.